Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Elizabeth Craft Designs haul. And oh my goodness, you guys. So let me show you what I got it. This is a ×2 haul. So I did purchase them earlier, about a few weeks ago, and then I went back and I ordered some more. So let me go ahead and show you. As some of you guys saw, this was part of my collab, so it's cute. And then I still have some pieces here, and this is what it looks like. Sorry you guys, it's just you have to piece them all together. Somehow I thought that piecing together was going to be so difficult, but actually it's so relaxing. I could probably do that for hours. I got this one right here. So I saw somebody, I want to say it's Lady Cree. I could be wrong, so wrong, but I want to say it's her. Anyways, so she did a video a few months back, and Elizabeth Craft Designs is having a sale right now. So I saw that on there and I had to get it. Because I love the stars and my favorite is the butterflies. And then I saw this. So right here, when I saw it on the website, it said large flower, right? You guys, these are small. These are small. To me, these are small. They might be considered medium, but they're about maybe 2 inches. A little 2 inches. So these are small. Don't get fooled with when it says large. They're not large. Maybe large set, maybe more than 2. I don't know. Anyway, so I got this one too. A cupcake, or no, it's a piece of cake. I'm thinking of cupcake because the cupcake's over here. There you go. So aren't these cute? So let me show you how big these are. These are not that big. Once you piece it together, it will grow. So there you go. And this is awesome. So you can put these on cards. You can make, oh my gosh, you can make so many things with these. So there you go. I got me this Easter egg. And I got me another one. It's a yellow one. I was gonna do something with it and I can't seem to find it, but it's a little smaller and it's yellow and it has a little cube bowl that comes with it, the die. This one actually, it is a 2-piece. I don't know if you guys could see. It's a 2-piece, so you have this one and you have the option to just do the egg by itself. So it's awesome, and I like the design on this. So awesome. And then of course I had to pick up flowers. So yes, so this is what they look like, and these are going to be a pretty good size. I like the idea that it has its leaves, and it has this, I think these are the middle parts right here, this right here, that makes it look like the little balls from that flower. And then you have this one right here, and then of course you have to piece them together. Lovely, love them. And let's go ahead and see this one. So I don't want to show you my address right now. My second time around, I had to go get this one. I don't know why I didn't get it the first time. Maybe because it said pudding. I don't know why it says pudding. It's just a piece of cake, actually. So I went ahead and got it this time. So how cute. I got these butterfly ones, and this is what they look like. So these are a pretty good size. I got another happy birthday die, you guys. I love happy birthday dies, love them. Surprise also for birthday. I got this balloon. I had been eyeing this balloon for the longest time, and then what I like about it, that a lot of these dies you can actually use to put in here the words. I don't know about the birthday one, but I know this one you can. And I'll show you the rest right now. So awesome. This is a pretty, you guys look at my hand. It's like the size of a card. So awesome. And then I had to get these hot air balloons. So I got the, is this the, I think, no, this is not the vintage. There's a vintage one. And there was this one. So this is what it looks like. They're not that big. They're pretty, about 4 inches lengthwise. Well, actually it gives you the dimensions here. It's 3 by 1.5. There you go. So there, that's what they look like. And then I got the Celebrate. Awesome. And then Make a Wish. So love these. These are awesome to get if the sales, last I checked, it was still going on. So you guys don't pass it up. Tammy, I know you're gonna go over and check them out, and I don't want to get you hooked into another but good luck. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.